Okay, check your answers from warm up for March 16th. Here we go. The first question is, what is 23% of 100? So remember, we are using the formula part over whole equals percent over 100. So we need to figure out what we have. We know that 23 is our percent, 200 is our whole. So when we set this up, we would set it up as 23 over 100 equals something over 200. And so I know that I can get directly from 100 to 200 by multiplying by 2. And 23 times 2 is 46. So my answer to this first question is 46. Second one, 8 is what percent of 32? And remember, we're doing our part over whole equals percent over 100. So 8 is our part, 32 is our whole. So we would set this up as 8 over 32. And then I need to get it to something over 100, but I can't get there in one step. So I need to figure out what can I divide both 8 and 32 by to get this bottom number in the middle to something I can multiply to get to 100. So I'm going to divide by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And then I'm going to multiply by 25. And 1 times 25 is 25. And since 25 is over 100, and we all know that percents are over 100, you all said that with me, right? The answer is 25%. How did you do? Drop me a message and let me know, or comment on the video and let me know. Talk to you soon.